Hello, hope all of you are having a very pleasant day today. So today we are about to discuss regarding Matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of the Python libraries. Okay, Python programming language has multiple libraries, but we are going to discuss in this particular session about the Matplotlib. So what is Matplotlib? It is a basic plotting library of Python programming language, and it can create charts, line graphs, scatter plots, bar graphs, or box plot, these kind of things, error plots. So these kind of things, and we will be seeing each one of them one by one with one or two examples, and we will try to understand that how to write the code for it. Cool, for each of them. So let us start with one simple example to how to plot a matplotlib. So we will be starting with one simple example. So initially import matplotlib dot pyplot. So this is the code I have written for how to plot in the Matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of the Python library. So let us understand what is the code here, right? So with import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, this states like you are importing the Matplotlib's plotting module. Plot is just a short name or alias for the convenience. PLT, like PLT is just a alias here, and as is being used to represent that alias, whereas Matplotlib is the main library, and it is importing a module from it, pyplot as PLT. Okay, from this library we are importing the module, and PLT is just a short alias. Okay, as is used to represent the alias, and import is the one to import import the modules from specific library, or import a library. Okay, import a library, like for example, if you want to import numpy, so you will write import numpy as np. So here you are importing the library of numpy, like that. Okay, now x1 and y1 is just here, x1 y1 and x2 y2. These are the two set of data sets we have defined here, right? So these are the two list of numbers. So x1 is the value for x-axis and y1 is the value for y-axis, and so x1 and y1 are paired together. This is one pair, and x2 y2 is the another pair. x2 is also x-axis, y2 is also x-axis, but these are paired together. There are two pairs. Okay, two pair of data. Then what is this plot the line? So plt.plot is used to draw line graph. Okay, this is used to draw line graph. So we have just entered the data pair. Okay, data set pair. So x1 y1 is one pair, label is line1 and color is red we are giving, and then show the legend, and this is the another line. This is the another line with this data set. So plot.legend is like it displays the label on the graph. That is, for example, it will display the label, this line1 and line2. It will display that on the graph. So that's why we are using plot.legend. Plot.x label and y label, it sets the title for x-axis and y-axis. This is used to set the title for x-axis and y-axis. Plot.legend is used to set the label, this line1 and line2. And plot.grid is used for, it adds the background grid lines to make reading values easier. So it will add the background lines, it will make the reading easier, so it is used to add the background lines. And plot.show is renders and shows the graph, renders and shows the graph window. So plot.show is used to show the graph window or display the plot, I mean. It will be used to display the plot. So in simple words, like what I will tell is that this code takes two lists of numbers and draws a labeled color line graph with a grid and axis names. That's it. So what it is doing is, like, we can just run and see the output, that what is happening here, and you can clearly see that. See, as I mentioned, there are two set of data pairs. X1, Y1 is one set, X2, Y2 is another set. So we are having two lines here in this graph. And then plot is like it is plotting it. It will draw that line. So it has been like the two lines are visible. Okay, the two plots are visible. Plot.title. So you can just see here the title. I have mentioned plotting two line on same figure. And then the plot.legend is there. Okay, plot.legend will display this x-axis and label line1 and line 2 here. This plot.legend here, you can see line1 and line 2, x label and x-axis and y-axis. This one, x-axis and y-axis, you are seeing the labels here, and plot.grid is this one, and plot.show. So you can clearly see this, like it's understood, like entire code is being understood, right? Now let us see another example. So import numpy as np from matplotlib import pyplot as plt from scipy import interpolate polate x equals to np dot array. Or let us leave this example. We will not see this example. So I think this much is fine for you, right? So this is our example for the Matplotlib, and we have just seen how to plot the how to plot in the Matplotlib. That's it. I hope this example is clearly understood to you, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.